Hey there, foodies and kitchen aficionados! Welcome back to Gourmet Gadgets. Today, we're turning up the heat with a sizzling review of the Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer Essential Compact. This kitchen marvel is designed to revolutionize the way you cook, offering a whopping 13-in-1 cooking functions to fry, bake, grill, roast, and reheat, all with up to 90% less fat. Join us as we dive into its features, cooking capabilities, and why it's an essential addition to your culinary arsenal. Let's get cooking. First impressions matter, and the Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer makes a statement with its sleek black design. Its compact form factor fits perfectly into any kitchen without sacrificing cooking capacity. The build quality is solid, ensuring it's up to the task of daily culinary adventures. What sets this air fryer apart is its rapid air technology. It uses superheated air to cook your favorite dishes, giving you that crispy, golden finish without the need for excessive oil. Say goodbye to greasy indulgences and hello to healthier cooking. The Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer Essential Compact is more than just an air fryer. It's your all-in-one cooking companion. With 13 cooking functions, you can fry up your favorite snacks, bake mouth-watering desserts, grill succulent meats, roast veggies to perfection, and reheat leftovers with ease. It's like having a culinary wizard right on your countertop. With a generous 4.1-liter capacity, this air fryer can handle meals for the whole family or gatherings with friends. Whether you're cooking for one or many, it's got the space you need to whip up culinary delights. One of the standout features of air frying is the health benefits. You can enjoy the same delicious flavors and textures you love, but with significantly less fat. It's a game changer for those looking to make healthier food choices without sacrificing taste. While the Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer is user-friendly, there might be a slight learning curve if you're new to air frying. It's worth spending a bit of time experimenting with cooking times and temperatures to achieve your desired results. In conclusion, the Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer Essential Compact is a culinary powerhouse that brings versatility and health benefits to your kitchen. With its stylish design, rapid air technology, 13-in-1 cooking functions, generous capacity, and health-conscious cooking approach, it's an essential addition to any home chef's repertoire. If you found this review informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gourmet Gadgets for more kitchen gadget reviews and culinary insights. You can explore the Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer Essential Compact through our Amazon affiliate link below. Your support fuels our passion for exploring the latest in kitchen technology. Share your thoughts and culinary adventures in the comments below if you've had the chance to cook up a storm with this air fryer or if you're considering it for your kitchen. Until next time, may your kitchen creations be mouth-watering and your cooking adventures unforgettable.